Chairman's Cup Philippines Commissioner, Mr. Aaron Farao. Former SPP Board of Trustees, Mr. Ian Eric Pam. Former PBA player and national player, Mr. Yves Vignatise. We of course are Zone Director for Zone 9, Mr. Jerry Abrito. And Zone Director for Zone 7, Mr. Tony Agustin. And so officially President Robin Charles C. for the opening remarks.
Ladies, our guests, our peeps, we know you want to get back ng bawat isa, especially si Pagloba. Napakaganda natin kasi this morning ang dumating. Well, so of course, may Moro, Cebu, Occidental, Oriental, of course, our hometown peeps, Aklan and India. So welcome to the 4th Chairman's Cup Philippines. I just realized today that next year we will already be celebrating 20 years since the founding of Chairman's Cup in Iloilo. So after 20 long years, we will be celebrating tama-tama the 5th Chairman's Cup of Philippines also. So right now, we are already on our 19th year. And that's going to get bigger every year. So that is what with the support of SPP, EE Erica, Mr. Tony Agustin, Mr. Paul Navarro, Mr. Jerry Abrito, and Mr. Paul Capopo of Cagayan de Oro. So hopefully we can see more teams, and this year very competitive, bigger, better for Chairman's Cup Philippines. Iba mo na lahat mamaya yung inspirational message